Welcome to the My Sandvik customer portal. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to navigate the electronic manuals. To access the electronic manuals, navigate to My Fleet, then select Electronic Manuals. Use the filter options or the search bar to find the manual you need. When using the search bar, you can search using a machine serial number, alias, or part number. Once you have found the manual you need, you can select Request Download to download a PDF version of the manual, or select View Manual to read the version online. If you know the location of the item you're looking for, you can easily browse through the relevant sections and subsections within the navigation until you find what you're looking for. If, however, you're unsure of the location of the item, you can use the search bar. Here you can search by part number, assembly, or description. The search results show you how many times the word or number appears in the manual, and the highlighted sections in the navigation direct you to the relevant pages where the search term appears. The paperclip icons in the bill of materials indicate that the part is an assembly. By clicking the paperclip, you will be directed to the parts breakdown for the item. The Where Used tab displays all manuals that contain the same item assembly within your fleet, which you can download as a report or access directly. If you require a copy of the parts page, select Download to download a copy. To create a quote or order, simply add the required items to your cart. The quantities in the bill of materials are recommended amounts, however you can adjust them as needed. Once you have finished browsing the electronic manuals, navigate to your cart to check out as a quote or order.